I gave myself the task in preparation here for thinking, okay, well, what would I say to myself if I noticed one of these things happening to me? It was a question, I think, that came from the front row here. You know, how do you know when to start using MI? Okay, well, I suppose one question is when you start to think things are going wrong here, okay, and that there's actually something wrong in the rapport between the two of you. That's a good time to start using MI. And the things I would say to myself here are on this next slide. I'd reflect. Okay, that'll get you out of most difficulties. We'll see some very good examples of that in a moment. Okay, I'd step back and take space. Do you know what I mean by that? Slow down. I'd try and remain neutral. Okay, and I'd ask the client what they wanted. So this whole workshop is not a call to be clever, you know, and to fill your head with complexities about what you might do next. If you're unsure, ask the person in front of you. That's quite simple to do. And I would also lean towards active, positive language and try and pick up change talk, try and pick up people's strengths rather than just their problems. Because when you start the problem talk, you're going to get quite a lot of problem talk back. And you can readily fall into a trap of just talking about problems, and you've got sustained talk. You've got a sustained talk shower overwhelming you, and you get a bit down with it as well as the person.